Yeah, G money rise, G money rise. Yeah, can't slow down, might get a speed ticket. G money rise, known for popping willies. Cops pull me over, then they let me go. Catch me if you can, or eat my dust, bro. G money rise, G money rise, G
Be lighting it up. Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh shit! Look at him go! Look at him go! You crazy, man! You crazy! There goes my baby right there. All right, guys, got Ron, Brandon here. Brandon's working on his beast of a R6 over there. Right here's my baby. She's all back together. Look at that. New exhaust. All right, new exhaust. Hey, look at that. That color cluster is cool as fuck too. All right, you ready? Here we go. That sounds good as fuck. Can't wait to get her out on the road. Coming soon. See ya.